24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Syllables. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Let's start the lesson. Syllables help us to decode and spell words. It helps the students to understand the conventions of English spelling, including when to double letters and how to pronounce the vowels in words they might not have seen before. Learning objectives. Students should be able to understand syllables, identify and count the number of syllables in each word with hands-on activities, diagram words according to the number of syllables, improve their pronunciation due to syllabic awareness, recall, write some words on the board, point out each word and ask, how many vowels in this word? Appreciate the students and tell them to say the words randomly. And you write on the board and ask about vowels. Introduction. Choose different objects and put them in the basket. Seat the students around the table. Ask a volunteer to take one item out of the basket and place it on the table. Ask, what is this? Help the students to identify if necessary. Say the name of object and clap for each syllable. Ask, how many syllables does it have? As the students respond, encourage and assist them as necessary. For example, cat has one syllable. Words of one syllable are monosyllabic. Water has two syllables. Water. Computer has three syllables. Computer. Read. Choose a word from the vocabulary list in the book and write it on the board. Say the word correctly and ask the students to repeat it. Then demonstrate how to clap out the number of syllables. For example, the word cargo would receive 2 claps. The student would then repeat the clapping with the same word. As the student claps, the teacher will underline the syllable on the board to reinforce the understanding visually. Repeat this with several words. Recognition. Distribute the list of vocabulary words to the students and allow them some time to look at them. Give the students a worksheet with the same vocabulary words on it. The student's task will be to determine how many syllables each word has and record the number. Then the students will break down the words into syllables and write the syllables each in a different color. For example, cargo, car in red and go in blue. The students will complete this for several words to determine the number of syllables each word has. Review. Give the students 3 vocabulary words and ask them to clap out the number of syllables. Writing. Use the worksheet given in the book to assist the students, motivate and guide them to do the task carefully. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.